up? It's Joanne. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 2. I'm actually not going to vlog in this video. So as you guys know that Advent has started. So I already got to know who my Advent friend is. So basically in today's video I'm just going to show you guys the Advent card I'm making for her. And guys, I know that Vlogmas should be vlogs, and that's why it's called Vlogmas. But I'm actually not getting to vlog because I go to school at like 7 in the morning, and then I come back home at 5. And then I have to study, and then I have a lot of things after that. So that's why basically I don't get to make vlogs nowadays. But still, I'm gonna try Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday is gonna be. And before we getting into this video, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video. And also guys, give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down if you have any suggestions for my upcoming Vlogmas videos. And now let's just get started.